This is the functional package. One file that brings together Java 8's biggest additions, lambdas, method references, the stream API, optional, and function composition. Let's build it section by section. We import everything from java.util.function and java.util.stream. The person record is a simple data carrier used in the stream examples. Run calls 5 private demos, each focused on one functional concept. Lambdas implement functional interfaces, interfaces with a single abstract method. Predicate tests a condition, we combine 2 predicates with and. Function converts a string to its length, then we chain andThen to repeat a character that many times. BiFunction shows a multi-line lambda. Consumer receives a value and returns nothing, here we print. Supplier provides a value. We use a constructor reference array list, new. UnaryOperator is a function where input and output types are the same, we compose trim and to uppercase. Method references are shorthand lambdas. String, to uppercase is a static method reference applied via map. Prefix, concat is an instance method reference bound to a specific object. String builder, new is a constructor reference, a supplier that creates new instances when needed. Streams let you process collections declaratively. We start with a list of person records. First, a pipeline, filter by city, New York, filter by age over 28, map to name, sort and collect into a list, all without touching the original data. Then reduce sums all ages by starting from 0 and using integer, sum. Average returns an optional double, safe with orElse, 0. summaryStatistics captures min, max, sum, count, and average in one call. groupingBy splits people by city, mapping each group to just names, wrapping in tree map sorts the keys. Another grouping counts people per city. flatMap flattens nested lists into a single list, perfect for merging subcollections, anyMatch, allMatch, noneMatch test conditions across the entire stream. findFirst combined with filter retrieves the first matching element, and ifPresent ensures we only act when a value exists. Finally, toMap builds a map from name to age directly. Each operation is pure and composable. Optional eliminates null checks. Of wraps a non-null value, of nullable handles possibly null values, empty is the absent instance. Get must be called only if present, or else provides a fallback. Map transforms the value inside, while filter conditionally discards it. If present runs a consumer only if a value exists. OrElseGet accepts a supplier for lazy fallback. OrElseThrow throws a custom exception when empty, far clearer than a NullPointerException. andThen applies the first function, then the second. Compose applies the parameter function first, then the calling function. The pipeline shows a chain, trim, lowercase, replace spaces, all in one composed function. Clean functional transformation. The functional package is complete. Lambdas, method references, streams, optional, and function composition, the tools that let you write expressive, safe, and declarative Java. These demos are reference building blocks, they'll be wired into main.java in the final episode. Keep them handy as your functional style cheat sheet. Next episode we enter concurrency, thread, runnable and executor service. That's where Java becomes truly concurrent and production ready. See you in episode 8.